Well, two of the four suspects accused of breaking into a cell phone store last week have been in court, and they were appearing today. They're not only accused of stealing cell phones, but rather a puppy that was at the store at the same time. The two older suspects had pretrial detention hearings this morning in Hillsborough County. Fox 13's Kylie Jones is following that for us. Here in our newsroom with some more details. Kylie, what do you know?
Yeah, Mark, well, these two suspects are charged as adults because of their age, while their co-defendants are juveniles. The search for the suspects, though, led deputies to finding that French bulldog puppy stashed inside a dresser drawer in one of their homes.
Hi, baby boy. I swear to God. Hi, sweetheart.
Hillsborough County deputies say this French bulldog puppy is one of the things four teenagers made off with in an alleged burglary turned robbery. Two of the teens are juveniles. The other two, Deshaun Jenkins and Tony Marshall, are 18 and 19. They sat side by side in court Wednesday morning for pretrial detention hearings. The group is accused of breaking into Cellfix in Brandon overnight last week.
The store owner received an alert on his phone stating that the back door was broken into.
A Hillsborough County detective says the owner called 911 and started driving to the store.
They were taking cell phone parts and cell phones and put them inside bags.
The detective says one of the juveniles went straight for the French bulldog puppy, which was in the store at the time. He says surveillance video shows the teens leave, but the owner was watching the live surveillance footage as he headed to the store. Detectives say two of the teens had gone back for round two.
And at that time, the store owner saw them, spooked them, and then two defendants ran one way, one defendant double-backed and shot towards the store owner.
While deputies were tracking down the teens, they got two tips about that missing dog. One from the store owner's brother, who the dog belongs to. Somebody
reached out to him through Instagram saying, "I have your dog. I know where your dog is."
When questioned, the detective told Jenkins' attorney they didn't find fingerprints or forensic evidence at the scene.
The fact that it was found or similar clothing was found the next day does not indicate that it was something warranted by my client at the scene.
Marshall's attorney argued he never left the car.
They did not know the victim was coming. They were not planning on robbing the victim.
And the judge said the evolution of this case from a burglary to robbery complicates it, plus the involvement of each one of the teens in this case. Now, the judge does have 24 hours to rule on the pretrial detention motion and decide whether or not both of those teens or one of them should get bond. So we're waiting on that, Mark.
Okay. Kylie Jones following that for us. Kylie, thanks much.